Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iagino. Finally, Bitcoin's doing something. Never confirmed the double top, so that is done. I never triggered it because it was never confirmed. Coming up, again, finding key resistance. Earlier at this prior GAN level is 93.60 area, returning to rotation zone, rotating back up. Now we had another cluster up around this 96.30, 96.34 area. We just got up to 96.24. So we're going to call that hit and watch for pullback right now. A key support, let me update the retracements now. Is now remember, if this bar does not pause, then it's got to be updated again. So key area of support now coming in. We have prior resistance right here about 93.51. It's first level support. Second area of support we're going to be watching for is if dips below there about 92.50. Now we still have a cluster coming in about 98.33 to 98.76. So that's the next area we'll be watching. And then our major area is 10,600. Since we already know where that cluster is, what I'm going to do right now is update that again to this pot. Hopefully it's a pausing bar. If not, you're going to have to update again. So that just gives us 98.94. So I call it 9,900, then 10,150 area. Let's switch over to daily chart. We are still waiting on momentum, even with this little push up. Let's check on the daily chart. So a little sideways move, letting the rotation zone catch up. So key support based off the daily chart, we have this little prior spike from end of May 30th, and the rising rotation zone. So I'd be watching a 9,100 if we pull back again on the daily chart. Below that, we have the 25% retracement, 88.23 area, and then the rising rotation zone, 8,600. So those are your key levels of support right now. Let's see how this closes. We might be getting a daily divergence also. Doesn't mean it's over, just means that's when you tighten up your stops or can have some profit targets to take something off the table. Switch over to Ethereum. So the double in Ethereum was confirmed but never triggered. We need the close below there. You can see it just dips below there, which confirmed it but never triggered it. Rotating back up and now starting to test this other prior resistance about 274 area. Remove this. Get a key close above 274, then we'll be watching for a return to 279.50, and then the level still, then 286 is the next major level up there. Key support now coming in right about 265, so you see these candle buys right here, this little low, and the 50-period exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's your first level support. If we break below that, then we'd be watching a return to the bottom of the rotation zone on the daily chart about 258. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.